Navigating the financial waters can be daunting for beginners, so kudos for looking to wade in. Starting with websites or apps that cater to newcomers in the investment game is a smart call. Robinhood might just be your huckleberry. It's simple, user-friendly, and what drew in the masses is its commission-free trading, a real boon for those just dipping their toes in the investment pool. They've had their outcry moments in the media, but it's still a great starting block. If you want something with a bit more meat on the bones, Fidelity Investments is where it's at. They've been around the block a few times and offer a wide range of services, including stocks, but also mutual funds, retirement accounts, etc. The website also has a ton of educational content to make sense of the arcane world of Wall Street. For those in the crowd looking for something a bit more automated, Acorns deserves a mention. Think of it as your financial Tamagotchi. Link up your cards and it rounds up your purchases, investing the spare change into a diversified portfolio. It's a pain-free entry point that gets you into the investment habit with change that would otherwise disappear into the couch cushions. Now I'm based in Portland, Oregon, not exactly Wall Street. But geography isn't a boundary when you've got apps like these at your fingertips. Whether you're after the simplicity of Robinhood, the breadth of Fidelity, or the automation of Acorns, each provides a robust starting point for any burgeoning investor. And never overlook the importance of good old-fashioned books and reputable financial news sources to supplement your digital toolkit. After all, the most effective investment you can make is in your own financial education. Just remember, the market hops up and down more than a rabbit on a pogo stick. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Diversify your investments. And for Pete's sake, don't check your portfolio obsessively. That way lies madness. Now go forth and multiply those dollars.